Hi guys, my name is Waleed, and in this video I will show you how to convert old VHS into a digital DVD or CDs, or simple in a digital format. So this is a Adaptec Video DVD Converter Kit. This is just a USB 2 edition and I am reviewing it today. In this you can convert your home movies to Hollywood style DVDs or video CDs, and this is under $1. So first of all, open it up. So it is like this, Adaptec. When you open it, you will find this device on the top, and here you will find audio input, video input and S-video input. You can connect your cables here and you can connect the power cable over here. So this is the device, and if you open this, you will find this, and this is actually the cable in which you can convert, you can connect it to the PC. This cable will be connected here like this, and this one to your PC. This is a USB 2, and in this box you will find the power adapter. You will give power to this device using this adapter. This is 4 volt and 2.6 ampere. Just connect it to your plug and connect this cable over here like this. Apart from this, it is a disk of the software in which you can install and enhance your VHS videos into Hollywood style with special effects and other transitions effects, etc. It will be open like this. It is the DVD Adaptec Video I think Video Converter Kit. This is the installation disk of the software. If you want in-depth tutorial that how to convert VHS into DVDs, then just let me in the comments below so that I will make a full video on this if you have interest in this video. And this is, I think it is a stand or something like this. I just putting this box aside. It is a user manual. You have to read it to how does it works. It is a getting started guide or a paperwork, you say. I will read it later. So our box goes here. This is the cable, this is the box, the disc, and a stand where you can put this here thing like this. Connect it to the adapter. Connect the adapter to your plug and connect this wire to your PC. And after that, connect your VCR cables here, audio, video cables here, and then your VHS will be converted into DVD. Basically, you can convert old videos, old VHS videos into the latest new DVDs also. Thanks for watching guys. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, give thumbs up and comments below if you have any problem. and subscribe to this channel for more videos, and I will see you in the next one.